Hello, today I'm going to show you how practical a lawnmower with a plow can be even outside of winter. Some people think that snow plows on lawnmowers are just for pushing little amounts of snow. But I'm going to show you how they can push even up to huge boulders. Look how huge that boulder is. We're going to move it like 20,000 feet real quick. With this 20,000 horsepower lawnmower, it has an automatic transmission and it's a Super Bronco. What that means, I don't know, but it probably means good stuff. Okay, so first step. Like always, you gotta start up the Bronco. Starts up first time. Put it into gear. In gear. Okay. Now you just lower your, now you just floor it. I don't understand, this should be working. Okay, we're gonna get another run at it. Oh, we got bomb cruise control real quick. Okay, any second now this is gonna push the boulder like 30 feet. Okay. Okay, that's enough. That's enough. Turn off cruise control. Just back out of here. Come on. Backward. Okay, we're gonna try going forward to back up out of this mess. Forward, backwards. Okay. Forward. I can't back up. Okay, we're gonna do a quick turnaround. Okay. Backing it up. Okay. So we're gonna get a little bit of gas. Just backing it all out. Okay. So now that is how practical a lawnmower with a plow is on it, even during the summer. Look how far I've moved that boulder. And that's it.